In this video, we will give you options on how you can create an app with Flutter. So in Flutter, you must set up a development environment, initialize a project, and build your UI using widgets. So as you can see right here, you can create a Flutter app using VS Code, using Android Studio, using IntelliJ, Terminal, Anti-Gravity, and using your own Flutter module. So to create an app on VS Code, you first need to launch it, and then on the command palette, go to View Command Palette, find the Flutter commands once you have installed it, then run the new project command, choose a template, select a project location, and enter the project name. Wait for project initializations and run your app. As for the Android Studio, you first need to launch it, begin the project creation, choose your project type, verify Flutter SDK setup, configure your project, and after that, finish your project creation, wait for workspace initialization, and then run your app. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.